Hi guys, if it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Janeta. I'm a digitizer and bag designer. And in today's video, we are gonna be making this adorable little snowman. It's a little pouch, so in the back you have opening and you can put inside whatever you want. I just put some candies in, M&Ms to be exact, but you can put anything you want. You can put money in there, you can put a picture, whatever idea you have and you want somebody to see. It's a nice present. You can hang it up on a Christmas tree. You can give it to someone as a gift. So unlimited options, whatever you can put inside. So I digitized the snowman. We are gonna be making exactly the same one. I will try to make it a little bit bigger. It's pretty easy, but there are certain steps we have to follow. Yeah, I will show you step by step how to make this little snowman. And if you like it and you like this video, please subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. I usually upload one video a week, and it's tutorials for bag making and digitizing, so little projects like this. So yeah, you can subscribe, you can leave me some comments below if you have any questions, suggestions. I would love to read them. But let's get to it. I'll show you everything that we need for making this little snowman. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but you can download this design on my website and it's linked. So I have my stabilizer. This is the cutaway, so you can't tear it away. You need something a little bit more stable. Then you will need your PVC, so a little piece. And then you will need two pieces of fabric. I have a felt fabric because it's a nice and soft, and it just goes with the snowman. So you need probably two the same size pieces. One will be cut in half and make it a little bit bigger than the snowman requires. Yeah, so let's and then you will need a little ribbon on the top, because we are going to make a little hole in here and the ribbon is going to go through. So let's go back to the machine and let's get started. Okay, so I have already set up some reserve stops. Each machine is slightly different, so I'm not gonna go over how this machine works. This is the baby log. You might have a different machine and you will probably do it a different way. But anyways, you will first do the outline and you have to reserve a stop. So the machine stops and you can add the fabric on the outline. So let's close this because I have done this already. Edit end, and always do outline or trace, not outline but trace. You want to make sure that the needle is not gonna hit the frame. I have already done it before, so I know it's the right frame for this project, and my needle is inside of the frame, so it's not gonna hit anything. So now I will go sewing. And let's do the outline first. Okay, now we have the outline. The next step is to add the PVC, and it's big enough. I don't think I need to attach it in any way. And we reserved another stop, so the machine is waiting for the next step. So now we are gonna take it out and we are gonna cut out this window. Okay, so once we cut it out, we will place the fabric on top. Let's make sure it's all covered. Okay. Now the design is gonna be stitched out. Okay, so the machine stopped again, and now we are gonna proceed to the next step. So we have to cut out this belly, and we have to cut it from the outside and from underneath. So I like using my reaper for this kind of work. I think that's what it's called. I'll call it reaper because it's ripping the fabric away. So make sure you are just holding the let's do the other side first. Okay, so let's cut a little bit off and then we will continue with the scissors. So what we are trying to do is expose the little window in there. Try to get in the corners as much as you can. Okay, good enough. And now let's get in here, and I just want to make sure that I don't cut the window. See? And that's a beautiful window. Okay, so we have a window. Nice. So now what we have to do, when we have the frame out, we will flip it on the other side. I hope you can see this. And now we are gonna take the two fabrics I was talking about, and we will place one here, and we want them to overlap. Okay, so when you have the two pieces like this, take your pins and pin the fabric in. Because we are gonna flip it the other way again. And we have to make sure it's not close to the design. This one is quite close. The machine is gonna do outline now, so the pins can't be anywhere close, otherwise it's gonna hit the pin. Okay, so when it's pinned like this, we will put it back in the machine. And now the machine is gonna outline and secure the bottom fabric. And it's done. So the last thing to do is to cut it out, and you have, see on the other side, you have the opening for the window, and then you make a little hole and put the ribbon through. Okay, so we are done. We cut out the outline. We made a little twin brother for the snowman so he doesn't feel lonely. Um, so yeah, in the back you just want to overlap a little bit so you can get in, and you put treats inside or money or whatever you want. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Bye for now.